Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bullish movement, and this could be something that a lot of traders are waiting for, a confirmation, because the market has consolidated for an extended movement. However, that's just how dollar yen is. All right, so right now we have a clear break. What I am waiting for is a retest of the previous low 11620 for a buying opportunity. And let me just show you as we go how I get that level. 4-hour chart, head on the 4-hour chart, you can see this dotted line, which is my alert line, is the same level. You can see that it's a very nice previous resistance and right now support level. And down to the 1-hour chart, this is the same line, and that's how you see. You can see that is the reason why I love it, because in a way it came to the point on both daily 4 and 1-hour chart, same point that 3 different time frame agrees as a previous resistance, and which means the current support level. You just have to be patient. You might miss this because it's not a usual thing for dollar yen to retest the support. So if you thought that just by going through books and all those things that people have wrote about a chart pattern, and just want to plug and play into currencies or any other products, it doesn't work that way. Okay, you have to understand the product well, you have to test it, and of course some of our students took the shortcut by following the currency pairs. Of course they do their own analysis, but they just follow the currency pairs that I did my analysis. That's why I did a 12 pairs currency chart to cover as much, and our students can only choose can just choose 2 to 4 pairs as a full-time trader. So what you can do is scan this QR code, get into our students forum and support group over here, where you can interact with us, share with us your trading ideas, your thoughts on dollar yen. It could be quite a tricky one or a rather straightforward one. I will share with you shortly. But I have spoke about this. You want to be an extraordinary trader, so you have to commit into your analysis as well. Punch that in over here. Scroll down further, you can even start to attend some free course, free training over here, and give yourself a timeline and deadline on the progress you want to see, correct? And your daily commitment to the charts, you have to put that in as well, because this comes in practice. You cannot just start something and you just do not do anything for the next couple of weeks and couple of months, and 3 months down the road you want to see extraordinary result. It doesn't work that way, right? It's just like a check-in and check-out. There's no process, there's no training, there's no practice within that period. Scroll down further, you can see some of our trading ideas, and one thing for sure you can see is that the target to have at least a 2:1 ratio for our reward is to risk. All right, and this is pretty much what you can see throughout our trading ideas, the common thing, because that actually put you on an advantage, on an edge in comparison with other traders. All right, back to our daily chart. Let me just share with you my analysis over here. On the daily chart, what I have over here is rather simple. This is the buy zone, this is the demand zone. So what is the difference? Well, the buy zone happens from an important retracement area, and that's the area that I'm waiting for entire trading setup, while the demand zone is a consolidation based on sometimes spikes, or most of the time spikes, and that spike does carry some weight in a potential buying opportunity, as well as you can see on the 4-hour chart, as well as even more so on the 1-hour chart as well. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. It's just like euro dollar last week, we don't see much then, and we have to wait for the trade to follow through, and this is what I actually do in the real life trading. Is I'll plot it, I'll look for the most suitable trading area, I'll set an alert, observe how the market go, and as it develop, then I bring in the tool that support the direction I'm trading. So first I have to know where is the market going. Am I trading with the trend or against the trend? then I'll wait for the right time so that my tool can fit in the situation for me to take advantage of the market. That's pretty much I have for you today, and that's why I love to commit, sharing with you euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen week after week, even if there isn't much going on. You can see from last week euro dollar there isn't anything much going on, and this week what happened, euro dollar from nothing upgraded itself to my VIP list, which became a super combo setup for this week. All right, so if you watched the video last week, you can see that how the trade has really planned out, that I'm looking for a buying opportunity, but I want the market to fulfill the shorting aspect first, because there isn't much opportunity on the downside in view of the previous support zone on the weekly chart. All right, so sometimes when the market tell you this but you don't see any potential, you can wait for the market changes, and once you have those patterns that support you, you can give it a go to heading for the trade. So if you want to be good and great in trading, drop us a note. We'll see if you're right fit, and if you are, we'll accept you. If you're not, no harm trying anyway. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember always play your trade and trade your bet. Take care.